a Honda S2000 alternator plug, and we've got an L, which is the white red. We've got an IG, which is the white green, an S, which is the black yellow, and we've got the FR, which is the white blue. What we've got to do is we've got to take the FR to the IG. So the white blue and the white green have got to be soldered together, and they are going to have a 1000 ohm resistor. So 1K resistor goes across the IG and the FR, which is the white, green and white blue. Then you've got the sense wire, which is just going to have a loop on it, and that is going to go directly to the nut, which is on the alternator. So that's a direct 12 volts. And the last wire is the dashboard light. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll just set that up now. Put the meter on resistance. 2000 ohms would be fine. Pop that across there. That should give me, yeah, there we go, 1000 ohm. Well, 995, that's close enough for me.